Hello traders and welcome to NinjaTrader 8 Hacks. Now in this video we're going to go ahead and discuss the Advanced Trade Management Stop Strategies overview. The topics that we're going to go ahead and discuss are simulated stop loss orders. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and does not offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or forex. Now to access the stop strategies, what you want to go ahead and do is go into Chart Trader, and you'll notice your ATM strategies over here off to the right. You can go ahead and click on any strategy that you want to go ahead and adjust, and go ahead and hover over this and you'll see Edit. Go ahead and click Edit, and then you'll see Stop Strategy here. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu and go to Custom. Let's go ahead and give you an overview of the parameters. Simulated stop is actually held on your machine, so it's not actually held with the broker, but it's a stop that's held on your machine, so you will need to be connected to your broker, connected to the internet for this order to go ahead and get triggered. But once price goes to a certain trigger that triggers your simulated stop, and the volume is actually increased and goes to a certain point. So let's say that you want and this is based on contracts traded. Let's say that it gets down to 28.92 in the ES, and on the buy side, you want to buy a simulated stop on the buy side. It's going to go ahead and look at the ask volume and see how many contracts are traded there. If it meets your threshold, it'll go ahead and place the stop into the market. Conversely, if you have a simulated stop on the sell side, it's going to go ahead and look at the bid volume, how many contracts are traded on the bid, to go ahead and put that stop into the market for you. Now, simulated stop, as I mentioned earlier, if you enable this, it will need a volume trigger of, let's say, 50 contracts or more. So if price comes down to a simulated stop that you place into the market, it will also need that volume trigger of 50 plus or more contracts, either on the offer for a buy order or on the bid for a sell order, to go ahead and be enabled. I'm going to go ahead and save this as a template again. I want to replace it, hit OK, and I have a stop strategy now for 1. This yellow order represents a simulated stop here into the market. So again, this is locally held on your machine, so you'll need to be connected at all times for this to go ahead and take effect. It is not held by the broker.